How to cancel Temu orders or how to cancel order on Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cancel orders on Temu. While the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to cancel an order on Temu, first you want to go ahead and open up Temu application and log into your account that you made the order from. Once you do so, at the bottom of your screen you will see home, categories, you and cart option. You want to simply tap on you option at the bottom of your screen in the middle, and then here you should be able to see the option that says your orders. You want to tap on your orders option, and under all orders you'll be able to see all your orders. Now you want to find the respective order that you wish to cancel, tap on the item and open it up. There you want to head into more options, and then you want to tap on cancel orders. Go ahead through the prompts and you will be able to cancel the order. So this is the way that you can cancel an order on Temu. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here because I don't have any orders made here, and it's unavailable in my region as well, so I can't just be showing you by making an order. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.